Hello everyone, my name is Alisa Waz and I am the leader of Our Lady of Nazareth and YG. Today I will be teaching you a dance on Illegal Weapon 2.0 from the movie Street Dancer. I hope you all like my small routine. So let's begin. So guys, just to make it clear, this is my right hand and this is my left hand. So you all can accordingly suit yourselves. So the first step goes like this. You make a fist out of your right hand, you pull and you tap your left leg. And you do the same thing after that with your left hand and your right leg. Pull, you do it thrice. 1, 2, 3. On the fourth beat, you push, you put your head to the left with a wave and your hand makes a circular motion towards the right. And you push. It's like a pushing, okay? So you go like 1, 2, 3, push, 2, 2, 3, push. Cool? Now the second step goes like you bend, you lift your right leg and you turn your right hand in a circular motion again. 1, 2, then you lift your body with your hands coming on top and your leg doing the same motion. 3, 4. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this twice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? I'll just show you the first and second step together so that you'll get a hang of it. So it goes like 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't need to go directly on top. You go with the flow. Cool? So in the start, you just go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Good. Now the third step. You finished over here, you did this. From here, you take your right hand behind, left hand on your head as if you're searching for something, and your right hand in front, right leg in front. So it goes like 1, 2, 1, 2. This is my right leg going in front and back. And when my right leg is in front, my right hand is on top. And when my right leg is behind, my right hand comes on top. Cool? 1, 2, 3, just 3. Keep your hands both the hands like this. And right shoulder, left shoulder. And this is a bit fast. 3, 4. On the fourth beat, both the shoulders should go on top. Cool? It's like some insect has come on you and you just do this. Cool? So you finished over here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After this, you have a bow and arrow in your hand. You pull it, but you don't pull it at one go. You be like 1, 2, 3. You're here, you catch it, pull, pull. Pull, pull. Now this is giving you a momentum to go on top. Put the right leg in with the left leg, but diagonally. And you came together. You take a circle of your hand, make a circle of your hand, and go hit, hit. Finished over here, I'll show you again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull, pull, circle, hit, hit. Now this is just a body movement. This body goes like this, and your hand goes hit to the left, hit to the right. Cool? So you finished over here, you do 1, 2, keep, shoulder, pull, pull, turn, hit, hit. Cool? So we'll do it from the start on counts and then we'll do it on music. So you go 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, push, 2, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, up, up, 2, 2, up, change, 1, 2, 3, shoulder, pull, pull, turn, hit, hit. Okay, this pull, pull, in the lyrics she says, खींच खींच के निशाने से दिमाग दी. So खींच खींच के is the pull pull. Cool, we'll do it on music. Groove. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Push. Change. Change. So this is a little fast. After this, is a little fast. It's okay, we will do it again on counts. Then you can pause and rewind it and check if you are not getting confused in something. Cool? So we start from the first step. First and second step we will do, and then we'll do first, second, third, fourth. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, push, 2, 2, 3, push, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. When you finish this, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Your 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Khich khich ke. 1, 2. Khich khich ke. Nana. 1, 2. Cool? I hope you have got it till here. If you have not, please rewind it. The next step is a music, and the music is very similar to the one that we did before. So what the step goes like this: you pull, pull. See, the body movement is just lift your left leg, go towards the right, lift your right leg, go towards the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And first time you just pull, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I hope you got it. So you finished 1, 2, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is again 8 beats. After you finish hit, hit, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in this you have your freedom to use your hands or your body in another way. Your legs go like this. You can either do this, you can either do this, you can either do this. Whatever is suitable for you, whatever you feel free to do, you can do. Cool? After this, now we finished here. Khich khich ke nishane se dil maar di. Tan tanananan tanananan tanananan. Cool? After that, the same lyrics gets repeated. We do the same thing because this choreography has kept it damn easy so that each and everyone can get it. Okay? So as soon as you finish, you go 1, 2, 3 again. Pull, pull, turn, hit, hit. Okay? Now with that music and repeating of the choreography, we'll do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Push. Change. 5, 6, 7, lyrics. Again we finished over here. If you all didn't understand anything, please forward. I have explained it properly with left and right. Okay? So after finishing this the second time, your right leg goes out with your right shoulder also going out and your hand going like this. You finished over here. You go 1. You do the same thing this side. Immediately, you finish 1. You do 2. Now, this is a tricky part. You do 1. You do 2. And you turn and do the same thing. Right. This is my right shoulder again. Right. Left. Again right. Left. Right. Left. So this is, it's around 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 times 8 beats. Okay? So let's do it together. I hope you all will understand them. You all finished over here. Hit, hit. Then you're diagonally facing. From here you put your right leg out with your right shoulder. Again, your left shoulder, left leg. Turn. Right shoulder, right leg. Left shoulder, left leg. Turn. Right shoulder, right leg. Left shoulder, left leg. Turn. Right shoulder, right leg. Left shoulder, left leg. Turn. Now, these 8 counts sound very long and the same step we are doing continuously, but it's very fast and quick, so it's nothing to worry. It doesn't look monotonous. We'll do this much on music from the start and then we'll see. Cool? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go! Push! Push! Down, down, up, start! So guys, we finished till here, finished over here, and you turn. So after this, keep your hand over here, look in the side, that's the right side, look in the right side, again look in front. This is just one step, okay? Finished over here, go 1, 2, 3, okay? Now after this, there's a wave with head. So when you do the head, when you push the head this side, your leg also comes out, your left leg comes out. You go 1, body, waist, same order, waist, body, head, and your leg comes back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now this is a little fast. When we do it on music, you all will get it. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just do it in order. When you'll practice, you'll get it. After that, there's a beat, dish, dish. So in that dish, dish, you will go right, left. Right on top, left down. Dish, dish. Okay? And after that, there's a jump towards the right. Like this. Close again. Open. Close. So 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. You jump. If you're wearing shoes, it will be more easier for you. So it's just 2 times. 1, 2. In this speed only. I did it. 1, 2. Okay? So 1, 2. Then there's a lyrics. The lyric says Talwar Varga, like a sword. So you do Talwar Varga. 1, 2. Just take your leg, take your hand and wave it like a snake, almost like a snake. Okay? So you can keep your hands down. If you want, you can keep it on the waist. Cool? So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After that. But we'll do this much on music because I've taught quite a chunk of it. So we'll do it on music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Push. Push. Down, down. Down, down, up. Change. Start.
उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार बनेगा अनुसूली उते तंगी रख दे
Okay? Yes, all you do this is okay, we do it after. I hope you all understood. I just did till here. I just forgot I had taught you all this too. So, Tikita Lavar Varga. Okay? I hope you all understood. So after this, there's again the same thing, but she says Munde Anusuli Upar Tangi Rakhda. Something like that. So your hand is on top, right hand. You just make like a hanging thing, like a rope, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not very feminine, it's very neutral. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side, lift your left leg. Left side, lift your right leg. Okay? Okay? And then again is the same step. Na 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 na. Talavar var. Now this time it's not this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a beat. Tish tish again. So you go with that same talwar or sword. You go 1, 2. Cool? Now your hand can be anywhere. My hand was very unknowingly over here. Okay? So you do this. So you do 1, 2 the second time. When you come back, talwar, you just show your talwar and you go tish tish. So guys, as we finished till here the second time, let's do it on music once from the start so you all don't get confused in anything. Cool? Let's go. Remember to keep dancing when there is no step also. Don't just stand still. 5, 6, 7, go. Change. Change.
घर में से घर की तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती घर में से घर की तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार बनेगा मेरे अनुसूली उते तंगी रख दे तेरा लड़की वाले बनेगा मेरे अनुसूली उते तंगी रख दे तेरा लड़की वाले बाहर बनेगा
Hope I got it. So after finishing this, there is a leg movement. I have to go a little behind so you all can see. This whole leg movement, you're moving towards the right. Sorry, you're moving towards the left. This is my left. Okay? So your right leg will just keep doing this. Okay, try just doing this. Isn't this easy? But this is not that easy. The step is not that easy. This left leg is on my toe and my right leg is properly kept on the floor. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You open your leg out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. You travel in that fashion, but your left leg is on your toes and not the whole leg down. It's on your toes. That's why it gives such a feel. Okay? Most of the movement is done by your right leg. It pushes the body towards the left. Okay? So you finished 1, 2, then you automatically, just after that, your body should go down. Finish 1, 2, you go down, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Cool? This step will be a little hard for some, not for most of them. So just keep practicing. Left leg on your toes and the right leg totally on the floor. Remember to open your hand just to give the effect. If you just normally do it, it's also fun. You do whatever you want in this movement. Just do your legs proper. Cool? So you finished 1, 2. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Only 4. 8 counts 4 times. Now you have to come from here to there. You can do anything. You can jump. You can either walk or you can do the shuffle and come. And as soon as you come, take a turn just in swag, and there's a beat where there is a gunshot. So you reached your place, take a turn, take a turn, take a turn. Okay? You can either do this, you can either take a turn, sit. Whatever suits. Cool? Because our choreography ends over here. Okay? You finish dish, you go down, up, come back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Let's do the whole thing on music. If you all didn't understand, please rewind. I'm sure you all will get it. Thank you. Groove.